Helps you stick that down the mouth.
You stick it in there and then you go like that.
Yep.
Cool, I have a new hooker.
Let me see. Yeah, see how that gets on the edge of the
I see.
hook?
Yeah, cool.
Noah, you ready to fish?
Yeah.
This hooker doesn't fit anywhere.
How many did you guys catch this afternoon?
7 rock bass and 1 perch.
1 small perch.
And we got them all out by ourselves except this one person helped us. We got most of them out by ourselves.
Someone helped you?
Yeah.
Yeah, this one guy's like, hey,
he works there or something. He was that guy that asked about that carpet thing.
Oh.
Yeah.
Does he like own this place or something?
I don't think so. I think he's just a guy.
Well, I'd rather have broken my rod than my reel.
True. Okay, it's about 75 degrees and sunny right now.
Okay, Noah, where's this rod?
This rod and
6:30. Second time out today. We've got 3 walleye. 2 from Pat, 1 from Noah.
Yeah!
Yeah! I'd say Team Swetala, but actually that'd be all of us.
Hey. Justin, how many fish do you have?
14.
Plus all the ones down here on the dock, right?
Those don't count.
because
Those
we
don't
did them
count?
together.
Because you did them together?
Yeah.
Me and Noah did them together.
Can I get it?
Noah?
Yep, this is the G guy one. Don't drop it.
No, this is a great choice. Blue, I've had good luck with blue.
I told
I've
you,
got a
Dad. I
blue
told
one.
you I got good taste in jigs.
I've got a blue one too.
Justin,
Yeah, baby.
where's your smile? There it is.
I don't got no smile. I don't think.
All right, I got to show you this. This is what we caught. This is what I caught.
Which one's the bait, Don?
The perch is almost the same size as my shiner. And yes, I snagged him in the side, but he was hitting on it. Could barely feel him down there. So, still waiting for my first walleye. How you guys doing?
Good.
There's something
hitting down here. Most of these haven't been right. I just got hit by either a walleye or a big bass.
Yes,
Something's hitting us down.
All right, you guys, let's get some walleyes. This is amazing.
I believe you. No, I believe you.
Okay, I found a new way to catch fish. Instead of using their mouth and bait, I just snag them. Here's the second one I've done this to, besides that other little one that I have. Okay, guys, any walleyes in the boat yet?
No.
Yeah, 3.
Well, yeah, over the weekend so far.
Well, I've caught one today.
You have?
Wait, no, that was
Yeah,
last night.
no, it was this morning, wasn't it?
Yeah.
Good job, Noah.
Oh.
We need some for tonight, though. Not these rock bass.
Still on? Whoa.
Where's the tool? Where's the tool? Noah, hand me that.
Sorry.
How we doing, guys, tonight? Are we catching any fish?
We're catching like a billion rock bass. If I had $1 for every rock bass I caught, I'd have $1 million.
Watch this.
Chuck it as hard as you
Look
can.
out!
Yeah, throw it as hard as you can that way.
Just threw it over your head.
Oh, curses.
Come on, let's see you catch a fish since you got catching so many.
Okay, if you'll
Okay,
keep
no,
the
he's
camera
still
on.
on.
Whoa, there goes my bobber.
Tangled. Oh, mine's going down. Glad we stayed in and slept a little bit, huh?
Yeah, it wouldn't have done us any good to come out too much earlier.
I don't know why that guy is catching more walleye than anything else. Yeah, they weren't completely dead. It's been like a pair. I remember throwing in the water, they got up here and swam away. It's kind of bad though, because now they're going to live. It's walleye.
It's a big
It's either
walleye. It's a big.
walleye.
It's a big bat. What is
It's a walleye. It is a walleye.
Huge walleye. Keep fighting it. Keep fighting it.
Over here. Over here.
You're doing good. No, you know what to do. Not until you can get it.
Justin.
It's right there.
Oh, Noah, you got to go underneath them. Do not hit the line.
Don't hit the line. No.
Go under them. Go under them
right now.
Under them.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah!
Beautiful.
Way to go, Justin.
Oh, yeah! We're having fillets! Fillets tonight!
Oh, that's beautiful.
I just just got a new lucky jig.
Holy
A new lucky jig.
smokes.
Awesome. Isn't that great?
Awesome. Get it off and measure, John. Put that over.
Here, let me see.
I just netted this carp all by myself.
Yeah, and I found it.
Okay, pick it up so I can see it.
No, I'm not picking it up.
Pick it up, Noah.
I'm not picking that thing up.
Can you kiss the carp?
No.
No?
Upper bottom.
Oh, good. It's right over your A&W, so its slime is going on to you.
Come on.
Are you going to throw it back in?
No,
let's keep it.
Live well.
No, we're not going to
Just for a little bit. We'll put it back.
Why? For a pet?
No, we'll put it back later. Then just keep it for now.
Please, come on. Yes or no?
Whoa.
No, get there.
Justin. Justin.
Why don't you guys switch ends? He's running back. That away, Chuck Foreman. Isn't this better than sitting in the cabin?
Oh, yeah.
Crashing through the snow, my pair of broken skis, crashing into trees. Someone help me please. Snow is very red.
Come over here, Andy.
Oh, jingle bells, jingle bells.
Hey, guys, how did we do today to this weekend fishing? Who got the first?
Great. I got the very first fish.
First fish, first walleye, Noah. Who got the first walleye?
I did.
Pat won the first walleye. Who got the biggest walleye? Justin did. Who got the most walleye?
Yeah, I did.
Pat did. Who caught a walleye this weekend and for a keeper? Raise your hand.
I did.
We all caught walleye!
At
Yay!
least one. Whoa! Headhunter. Right. Oh, hit the car.
Bummer.
Justy, leave it. Just leave it. Right. Our fielder quit.